In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Bill.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your bank account connected and you'll be ready to start paying vendors and receiving money from customers smoothly and securely. Let's start with linking your bank account, because nothing else in Bill.com really works until that's in place. First, log into your Bill.com account and go to the Settings area. Depending on your layout, this might be called Settings, Bank Accounts, or something similar, but you're looking for the option to add a bank account. When you're there, you'll see two main ways to connect. The recommended option is the automated online banking connection. With this method, you choose your bank from a list and sign in using your online banking credentials. Bill.com securely connects to your bank, pulls in the relevant details, and sets up the connection for you. This is usually the fastest and most convenient option, and it reduces the chance of typing errors. If you prefer, you can also enter your bank information manually. In that case, you'll type in your routing number, account number, and any other requested details. Just take a moment to double-check each number before you continue, since mistakes here can delay payments or cause them to fail. For security, Bill.com will ask you to verify your identity using two-step verification. Make sure you have access to a phone that can receive a text message or a verification call. Enter the code you receive promptly so the system can confirm it's really you making these changes. You'll also need to confirm that you are an authorized signer on the bank account, meaning you have permission from the bank or the business to use that account for payments. If this is a business account, be prepared to provide basic company information, like your legal business name, address, and possibly some ownership details. This is part of standard compliance checks that help keep the payment network secure and aligned with financial regulations. Once your bank account is connected and verified, you're ready to invite vendors and customers. This is where Bill.com really starts to save you time. From your dashboard, navigate to the section for vendors or customers. You can add them in two ways. The first is to manually enter their information, such as their business name, email address, and payment details. This gives you full control and is helpful if you already have their info on hand. The second option is to send them an invitation to join the Bill.com network. When you do this, they receive an email invite to create or connect their own account. If a vendor accepts that invitation and sets up their profile, they can receive electronic payments from you directly through Bill.com. That means faster payments for them and fewer paper checks for you to deal with. It also centralizes communication and reduces the back and forth about payment status. Take a moment to review each vendor or customer you add to make sure their details are accurate, especially their email and payment information. Investing a bit of extra care here will help your future payments run smoothly. And that's it. You've linked your bank account and invited your vendors and customers, putting the core pieces of your Bill.com setup in place.